Alright, while I'm uploading some other videos, I guess we'll have another little cigar and whiskey talk. Today, going to be a little Lafroig single malt scotch and an Alec and Bradley Blind Faith. For those of you purists, I want to make you a little angry. I'm going to light this up lighter, and I'm going to remove the band. I'm also not going to use a cigar cutter. I'm going to use the GB2. Alright, what I want to talk about today is something that sticks in my craw sometimes. Basically, that is standing up for yourself. I have this conversation a lot where I talk to folks and a lot of times they say, well, you know, I just keep that my opinions to myself because I don't want to make anybody mad, or because I don't want to do this, or because I don't want to do that. Or basically, most of the time, those are conservative folks. And unfortunately, a lot of people have the thoughts and the ideas that common sense is going to prevail for a lot of folks. It's not. They also have the hope interrupted by my camera acting stupid. But anyway, they also have the hope that people are going to come around and see that they're acting like fools, and that folks who actually say, well, we just need to have an honest discourse, actually mean that, because most of them don't. The favorite meme going around Facebook right now is people don't want to hear your opinion, they want to hear their opinion come out of your mouth. And that is 100% true. Here's the deal. If you don't stand up for what you believe in, that is what has gotten us to this point. Is people not standing up for what they believe in because of those things that I said. People thinking common sense is going to prevail, and thinking that people actually really want to talk about things. Like I said, they really don't. And if you are worried about hurting your business by having an opinion, the fact is that most of us who have small businesses, or any of us that have a conservative mindset in our business dealings, and I know I have a lot of friends that are fairly conservative and have businesses and so on and so forth, and they don't go out of their way to mention anything because they think they're going to hurt their business. I got bad news for you. The people who are acting like fools and screaming and yelling and breaking things to get their way, they don't do business with guys like us anyway. They would rather see us out of business. So basically, they're not contributing anything to our business, and they're not going to hurt our business by being against our business. So stand up for what you believe in, say what you mean, and say what you think. You don't have to be a jerk about it. I am a lot of times. And that's because I'm really blunt in how I say things, because I found out a really long time ago, if you flower things up so it doesn't hurt anybody's feelings, they think you agree with them. And I'm not that way anymore. I outgrew that a really long time ago when I discovered that people really don't care what you think if your opinion differs from theirs, especially one side. You know who I'm talking about. That's probably really all I've got for right now. Thanks for your views and thanks for your support. Thanks for your putting up for my inane nonsense. Or putting up with my inane nonsense, I guess I should say. That's really about all I've got. So, y'all have a good time. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Support my buddies' channels because they're a bunch of really good guys and gals for that matter. That's really all I've got. Y'all have a good one.